Hello everyone, today we are discussing how to calculate a load in the Trenton Refrigeration Load Calculator tool located in the Trenton Refrigeration Design Tools package, which can be downloaded from the Trenton Refrigeration website. Once downloaded, simply click on the load calculator icon and it will ask you if this is a new job, new multi-system job, or an existing job. We'll click on new job for now. Next, some templates appear that are relative to specific applications. We'll discuss these in more detail in a later tutorial. We'll keep it simple and just simply choose a general walk-in cooler. Now you can change your personal information on this quote if you would choose to do so, your customer's contact information, and it'll save it as a running database. We can enter a project name of 123456, and the system name is general walk-in cooler, which you can change if you would like. The box temperature, because it is a cooler, will default to 35 degrees. The interior RH will default to 84. The exterior RH will default to 55. So now let's enter the dimensions. We'll just click in the field and type in 10 under length, 10 under depth, and 10 under height. And next you'll see floor type appear. And this is important because if it's on grade, it'll default to a 55-degree floor temperature. If it's above grade, it allows you to choose and modify that floor temperature if you prefer. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just keep it as on grade for now. And the next we have to figure out is the box location. In this case it's indoors, but if I click on this outdoors button, you'll notice that the capacity required will change significantly. So click on the outdoors button and it changes to 8,757 BTUH. So we'll return that to the indoor. And you'll notice the four categories: wall load, infiltration load, product load, and miscellaneous load all give you a summary. So wall load is 42% of your load, infiltration is 22%, product load is 14%, miscellaneous is 22%. Now let's talk about the last three categories here. The total hourly load is the total sum of these four categories. The total load required is that sum multiplied by the factor of safety of 10%, which gives me 5,032 BTUH. And next, the capacity required is simply 5,032 BTUH multiplied by 24 hours divided by 16. I'm going to divide 24 hours by my run time of 16 hours and multiply that by 5,032, and that gives me a total capacity required of 7,548 BTUH. So next, let's print this, and if you'd like to print to a PDF, all you would need to do is download the cute PDF writer that you see right here. But once I hit print, all of my installed printers show up, and in this case I'm going to save it to a PDF, again by using the PDF writer. Click on it, hit print, and the next screen is going to ask me where to save that file to. I'll just choose desktop and change the file name to 123456. Hit save, and you can see the icon appears in the upper left hand corner of my desktop. So in order to take a look at this, let's double click on the icon. And you can see here's the information for prepared by, my cooling requirements, which is this is the general summary per category: wall load, infiltration load, product load, and miscellaneous load. The load calculation tool defaults to 4-inch standard urethane, and here's all the respective load information for the wall loads. Here's the breakdown of the infiltration load. The breakdown of the product load is next. Miscellaneous load follows. And then you can see the system design summary, which is design load, factor of safety, safety load, runtime in hours, capacity required, refrigerant, frequency, design TD, line loss, which we'll discuss at a later time, and then condensing unit ambient. So let's close this out and bring ourselves back to the main page. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local Trenton Refrigeration sales engineer. Thank you and have a great day.